Hey guys, it's Captain 1080, and today I'm doing a vlog. Do not disturb my thing, whatever I forgot what it's called. But I decided to vlog because this bird, I think it fell. I don't know how it fell out here.
Maybe it just flew like.
It probably flew from there and hit the window.
And then
So
bounced up there.
now we have something on our hands.
Eat it.
We
tried it. Didn't try everything though. We just
okay.
tried sunflower
So
seed, water.
I don't know what these birds eat. We can't even identify the bird. It's basically, I haven't seen. Basically, we looked up on Google, searched birds in Florida. We couldn't find that bird. We searched birds in Pinellas Park and couldn't find the bird. And if you guys don't know, you guys probably didn't know, I live in Florida. And it's gonna rain.
It looks like it. Yeah, but
You guys in Wyoming and other places up north are probably having snow. So this is the deck. Not the best deck in the world, but it does the job. It does its job. Its job. Sorry. Huh?
You just need to clean like that and make it better.
Hey man. Wait. Why?
Because I don't have a beard. All I need to be a man is a beard. That will complete my
Caitlin,
job.
I don't think you should say that. I think you're gonna offend all the boys and men on.
Don't worry, people. I'm just
She's not
a guy.
She's not sexist, which is racist, but dude, it's not that kind of thing.
I know. You sound weird. It's so cute. You're so cute. Why isn't it moving? It made an eye. It's like its head.
Well, probably the neck. Wouldn't you think the neck would hurt?
It was
So,
on your leg, bro.
We're thinking we have a problem with mosquitoes, and we do. Mosquitoes.
And what are we gonna do with this guy? Oh, there's one right there. Ah, man,
The round's mission is to kill every mosquito.
Because they might have a virus.
Dude, it's only a certain type of mosquito.
I know. I'm getting used to petting this thing.
It's not.
You're so cute. Yes. That was like a fake cough sound.
No, it was a real cough. Don't worry.
It sounded like a terribly fake one.
Dude, soon Ryland is going to kill the whole population of mosquitoes.
Guys, look. Don't worry, guys. Worried about vlogging. They're not caring about the bird.
You told me to vlog.
Yeah.
I have to keep them interested.
Yeah.
There's the bird.
It's not moving at all.
Don't worry, it's not dead.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Can you fly?
Can you
Take
fly?
Okay.
Just believe you can fly. Believe
Okay,
you
guys.
can touch the sky.
Okay, guys. If you guys want this bird, my phone number will be flashing on the screen right now.
No.
No, I'm just kidding. No. Are you guys actually gonna find me? You guys will never find me.
But they can come.
So, you guys think that my gaming channel is dead?
Yes. Well, boo!
Well,
Boo to all. I'm
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Boot to all?
Boo to Captain 1080 Gaming. He barely even uploads anything.
What? I don't know what he's doing. Oh.